Okay, here we are again with another short video of the new touch orbiter with the interactive layer working inside it. This one is this time it's installed on a iPod Touch 4G, and it's pretty much the same version as I showed a little while ago on the iPad. It's a slightly newer version than that. Nothing visually much different, but I just thought I'd show it running on the iPod 4G. So I'll launch the app. There we go. I'm holding the camera and doing this with the other hand, so forgive me if I make some slip-ups here. Okay, we're in the orbiter and everything looks kind of normal. If you've downloaded the iOrbiter up to now, you're going to see this opening screen, which is your home screen. If you're running a Dianemo system anyway, you'll see this screen. You'll see some other screen in terms of your skin if you're running a Linux MC system. But you will see the bar along the bottom, which is the new dynamic bar that you can scroll in and out. So I'll just swipe that away to get out of the way. And to see the dynamic layer, you need to go to a screen where there's a data grid. So I'm going to go to the audio screen, and hopefully we'll get the data grid. There we go. Now this version's got a slightly different layout for the data grid. It's slightly more optimized for the iPod Touch. The graphics are down the side, the cover art are smaller, and the text is bigger, and it makes it easier to read on the iPod. It also makes it easier to slide it. But it works pretty much the same way, and you can see that the performance of the sliding and the rate at which the graphics comes in is pretty good. Now at the moment this version doesn't update the graphical components of the dynamic layer until the scrolling is finished. So you see the scrolling inertia kind of kicks in, and then pretty much immediately the graphics are loaded. We hope to have an update to that where it will actually update and cache the graphics in a more intelligent way shortly. But that's what it's doing at the moment. If I touch one of those items, it's then going to go to the album view. So now we're looking at an album view, and we're able to scroll that as well. And this is a big album. This is quite a large album. Scrolling up and down there, and we can play something if we want to play that track there. Now it gives us the detail view with the cover art on the left, and then the performer and other metadata on the right there. I don't know if you can see, that's a bit hard to see in this video, but it is there. And if the data is longer, that field will scroll as well. And then if we go to the play screen and we go to the remote, this scrolls as well. I've only got one track playing here, but that's let's stop that, and I'm going to go back there, and I'm going to do another audio screen here, and we'll do a play all on that. And there we go. I'll pull up the remote, and now you've got so you've got a track list here which scrolls, and I'm changing tracks. You see the highlight on the track as I touch it. Right, well, that's pretty much it. Any interactive, any data grid area on an existing standard skin will get the interactive layer automatically delivered to it by the new updated proxy orbiter. We're getting very close to releasing the iPhone app, the iOS app, and also the source code, probably for the iOS app, and also for certainly for the proxy orbiter. And that means that you guys will be able to try it out, and hopefully other people will be able to write new touch orbiters for Android and other platforms using the code that we provide as an example of how to do it. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good weekend. Bye.